My name is Jessie, and we had a fire in our home. So I reached out after we had a fire to family and friends on social media to try to get referrals for restoration companies, as I was a little bit nervous because I've heard a lot of negative things about restoration companies, and Home Perfect was referred over and over again. Reached out to Home Perfect. They were here pretty much within hours and made us feel really comfortable right away, explaining what they did and what they would do to take care of our home that had significant fire and water damage. So they were able to speak with our adjuster. They actually met in person with the adjuster, and the adjuster felt really good and comfortable with them as well, which made us feel good. And then they were pretty much immediately, they started working on the house. So they came in and did demo. They packed out the whole house. They did environmental testing and just cleaned up where the damage was from the fire. There was communication every single day, multiple times a day. So we would get emails from Home Perfect daily to let us know what their scope of work was for the day. We also would get phone calls from the person who was managing our case. They would call us every single day before they went home for the day, just to give us a rundown on everything that they did, ask us if we had any questions or concerns. There was just constant communication and check-in, which made us feel really good. We would recommend Home Perfect over and over again. So in working with Home Perfect, we now understand why they came so highly recommended to us, because their level of service was exceptional.